Hello friends, I am DK and I welcome you all to your own channel. Friends, this is the time for a tutorial series on technical analysis zero to hero, and this is the episode number 29 in English version. Those who wants to listen all these videos in Hindi, they can visit our playlist in Hindi section zero to hero in Hindi, and there are tutorials available in Hindi as well. So friends, in the last episode, we have learnt about cup and handles part 1. And in this episode, we had promised that we will be sharing with you the examples of cup and handle patterns. Although in the last part 1 series, what we have discussed about the bullish cup and handle pattern. I did not touch it about the bearish cup and handle pattern, which is also called inverse cup and handle pattern. But the concept is all about the same. However, in this particular episode, we will touch upon the bearish cup and handle pattern as well, which is a chart pattern in the downtrending market. So friends, if you are watching this video and have not yet subscribed the channel, do subscribe, enable the notification bell, post subscription so that you are well notified on time for upcoming uploads. And friends, if you want to become the member of this channel, please click on the join button or click on the link given in the description box of this video below to know about various membership program that we are learning on this program on this channel in collaboration with YouTube. So friends, let's begin this tutorial. So friends, let's quickly make a revision of the part 1, the two elements of cup and handle chart pattern. And friends, let us always remember cup and handle chart pattern is a continuation chart pattern and not at all a reversal chart pattern. So majority of the people, they get confused between a reversal chart pattern, which is a rounding bottom, because in a shorter duration, cup and handle looks like a rounding pattern. It is a rounding pattern, but rounding bottom pattern takes years for its formation, as we have given an emphasis on it when we are talking about cup and handle pattern in the part 1, and there is a separate tutorial for rounding bottom on this channel. So friends, let's always remember that cup and handle pattern is a continuation chart pattern, and there are two elements. One is cup, another is handle, and always remember the cup always has a deeper correction or a pullback. So it's a kind of healthy correction. We have made one video on healthy correction versus shallow correction versus deeper correction. And the second element of cup and handle is a handle, which is a shallow correction, normally which happens in the top half portion of the right side impulse wave, which forms on the price chart while the cup is under formation. So friends, let us always remember that the cup portion is a little deeper correction and the handle portion is normally a shallow correction limited to within 50% of the retracement of the right impulsive wave, which is a part of cup and handle formation. So friends, if it is a continuation chart pattern, so friends, if we are talking about the bullish cup and handle pattern, which means if we see the pictorial diagram, the prior trend has to be uptrend. And then only this deeper correction will take place and cup kind of formation will form, and then there will be a kind of shallow retracement or a drifting kind of effect would be there, or it could be a horizontal consolidation, which will be a handle part of the cup and handle chart formation, and there will be breakout of this handle portion, which is defined as a breakout of cup and handle portion. So prior trend has to be seen here, should be a bullish trend when we are talking about the continuation chart pattern, that is a bullish cup and handle pattern. Now friends, let's briefly talk about the bearish or inverse cup and handle chart pattern, which forms when the market is in downtrend, because it is also a continuation chart pattern. So let us pictorially understand. As we see in bullish cup and handle pattern, the prior trend has to be bullish. In this particular pattern, the prior trend has to be bearish. The market is continuously falling here, and then we will have a pullback like this. A cup kind of shape would be formed, and after the price has risen from this level, there will be a drift upside and pullback upside, or it could be something like horizontal kind of handle formation, a consolidation band, and then there will be a breakdown of this particular pattern from, and the price will further fall and downtrend will continue. So it is a continuation chart pattern, and in inverse head and shoulder we look for a shorting opportunity rather than long trade opportunity. So friends, after this brief revision of cup and handle chart patterns and its salient features, we will look into the examples on price chart. We will take up one example for bullish cup and handle chart pattern and how to trade about it, and we will take one example of bearish cup and handle or inverse cup and handle pattern, and we'll know as to how we can trade on short side when such formation takes place. So let's straight away go to the price chart and take up example one by one. So friends, this is the price chart of SRF Limited in daily time frame. We can see the stock was trending up, and in this portion there was a deeper correction. And now let me explain you as to how cup and handle pattern has been formed, which is a bullish reversal chart pattern. We can see the price has started falling from this point, and it has made a U-shaped recovery to this point, and then the price consolidated here. Let me draw the consolidation band which will form the handle of this cup and handle formation. I am drawing here. We can see this is the consolidation band which has been created in this portion. So we can see this is the cup which has been formed, and this is the handle portion which I have drawn from the shaded line. So what should be the trading strategy? The trading strategy is very simple, and what we do is here is the moment this consolidation back breakout has taken place, we can see this is the breakout candle. So we put a buy stop order above high of this breakout candle. So we first put a buy stop order. I'm just explaining you the trading strategy, how to build around the trading strategy when bullish cup and handle pattern is seen and the breakout has taken place. So on this breakout candle which has taken place here with a rise in the volume, so we'll check the volume whether there is an increase in the volume or not, and we make an entry. So this becomes our entry. So let me mark the entry. So entry would be above high of the breakout candle, so it will be 2305 for example, and I put it like an entry. We can always put a entry price here and put a buy stop order on our terminal 2305. So entry would be 2305. I am marking it. 2305 becomes our entry. Now this is already marked here. And what should be our stop loss? Our stop loss would be previous swing low. Here the lowest point of this consolidation band. I am looking at the price action, and accordingly this becomes, let us always give some cushion to fix the stop loss, so that our stop loss is not triggered because of the market noises. So here is the stop loss that I have drawn. We can see the shadow, the price consolidated in this band. Our stop loss is coming, which I am marking. The stop loss, this is the 2133 is our stop loss. So I am fixing stop as 2133. 2133 is our stop loss. So I am marking it as a stop, which means we are taking a risk of this much per share if we take this trade. What will be our target? Our target is we measure from the lowest point in this cup, which is this. We measure the height up to this and project from the point of breakout. So our target would be this, which you can see the target has been achieved in few days time. However, we have been explaining in various tutorials under Zero to Hero or elsewhere also when we do the technical analysis that any target for any price pattern is the minimum objective, and as the best strategy would be to ride the trend and trail the stop loss. So here we can fix up the target, and you can see the price has gone much higher above beyond this point. It is further consolidation and further gone up, so we can always trail the stop loss. So this is what I wanted to explain in bullish cup and handle pattern, how we can calculate the target. We measure the depth of this cup and project from the point of breakout to arrive at the target. Now let us go to the another price chart to see an example of bearish cup and handle pattern, which is also known as inverse cup and handle pattern. Now let's understand what are the bearish cup and handle pattern or inverse cup and handle pattern. Since it is a continuation chart pattern, so the prior trend has to be bearish trend or the downward trend. We can see the price was making lower highs and lower lows kind of formation. This is the price chart of Tata LXI on NSE in daily time frame, and what we can see here, the price has stopped making lower low and there was a pullback in the price making a shape like rounding shape on the top, and I am drawing a horizontal line for understanding purpose. So this we can see. I'm making a little fine tuning of it. You can see the price has risen from here. The price was taking support here, and finally we could see there was a clear consolidation here. The price has done, and this is the portion. This is the cup which has been formed. This is the handle which has been formed, and there is a breakdown of this handle here with substantial rise in the volume. So this gives an opportunity to short sell and take a trade on downside to achieve the profitable trade. So I am measuring this. This is the height we measure. This is called the neckline of the bearish or inverse cup and handle pattern, and what here is, this is the point of breakout, and we project this target. We can see the target has been achieved. We all know that all chart patterns have a target which is the minimum objective. Hence we can always choose to ride the trend and trail the stop loss and make most of the trend on downward side in this particular case, because it's a bearish cup and handle pattern. So friends, if you are beginner in the field of financial markets and technical analysis, it is the time that you watch all the tutorial videos under Zero to Hero, which is available in English and Hindi version both, multiple times. I would always emphasize at least 3 watching of each and every videos under the tutorial series will make you conceptually clear, and it's a great opportunity to learn all these from your comfort of your home, absolutely free of cost, and you can save thousands and thousands of rupees which you pay on a paid courses like this. So these are the quality courses which is being presented by this channel, and it's a gift to the society, even to the remotest place where even the coaching facility for technical analysis is not available. So friends, if you have liked this presentation, please give a thumbs up to this. It gives a motivation and motivates and forces me to make new videos on this channel. And friends, share this video with your friend circle, known ones, WhatsApp group, social media, so that other also receives benefits out of this tutorial. And they can also learn, and in the process they subscribe the channel to become part of your and my family. Friends, thank you very much for watching. Looking forward to see you again. Do share the video and subscribe the channel and enable the notification bell for updates, friends.